Chopped Italian sliders are the perfect make and take dish for summer gatherings or a quick and easy weeknight dinner. I am totally not measuring and I'm a lazy home chef, so I'm using this chopper for everything. Mix together some shredded lettuce, red onion, pickles, banana peppers, ham, pepperoni, and salami, and add mayo and submarine sauce. Put it on Hawaiian rolls and add cheese and melt in the oven for about 10 minutes. I don't know how much. Mix. That's a lot of mayo. I don't know why I got this bowl out. Everything's getting cheese. This is more. Boom. You can also assemble ahead of time and store in the fridge until dinner, making this an easy dish to prep ahead and make on busy weeknight. I made half of them turkey and cheese for the people in the house that don't care about flavor. Let me know if you try it and follow for more.